bright red. Sweetest winter dreams in the head. Sauté high and melt the ghee. Fry the nuts for all to see. Roast those carrots, stir 'em fast. The Khushbu is here at last.
The pressure, the weight, just a little pour. Lock the lid and close the door.
High pressure, only 4 minutes long. Sing along to a halwa song. Quick release, let the steam fly free. Soft and sweet as it can be.
Sauté again, let the moisture dry.
Add the corn sugar and reach for the sky.
Elaichi fragrance, Kesar glow.
Watch that golden ghee start to flow. Glossy and rich, the perfect bite. Our Gajar Halwa is a pure delight. Aavi gayu halwa, Bhai-Bhai, 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 Bhai. Aavi gayu halwa.